Today we will learn some short English sentences. Sentences that will be useful everywhere you speak English. If you know these, you will learn to speak English quickly. These are things you can teach your kids at home. These are so easy that they will learn to speak English quickly. So, these phrases or sentences must be learned. You have to wait for 1 hour. You have to wait for 1 hour. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I didn't recognize him. I didn't recognize him. I am not able to open this knot. I am not able to open this knot. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. I will help him. I will help him. His face resembles his mother. She looks like her mother. She looks like her mother. He is fast asleep. He is fast asleep. I work from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. I work from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Today was fun. Today was fun. It's thundering. It's thundering. He has a sugar disease. He has a sugar disease. He has diabetes. He has diabetes. You are a coward. You are a coward. Let him study. Let him study. Close the book and listen to me. Close the book and listen to me. How cold is it today? How cold is it today? What does it mean? What does it mean? The train for Delhi leaves at 7 p.m. The train for Delhi leaves at 7 p.m. Shut the door. Shut the door. Close the window. Close the window. I am very anxious today. I am very anxious today. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. At what time do you get up? At what time do you get up? It kept drizzling last night. It kept drizzling last night. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Ask him. Ask him. Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. Your phone is ringing. Your phone is ringing. Don't talk rubbish. Don't talk rubbish. Tell me what happened. Tell me what happened. What is prepared for food today? What is prepared for food today? Fever will come down in a couple of days. Fever will come down in a couple of days. What can I do? What can I do? Tell him. Tell him. Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes. Take off the shoes. Take off the shoes. Why do you blush so much? I never said that. I never said that. He is probably hungry. He is probably hungry. Remove the cup from the table. Remove the cup from the table. Do not underestimate your enemy. Should we leave now? Should we leave now? I am used to tea. I am used to tea. Money does not grow on trees. Money does not grow on trees. What should I wear for the party? What should I wear for the party? Hopefully, these sentences will help you a lot to speak English. Moreover, you can learn English fast. Practice these regularly. Because if you don't practice, you will never be able to speak English. So practice speaking English whenever you get a chance. Try to create more new sentences with what you learned today so you can speak English faster.